Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in Southern California. Welcome to my daily health tip for today. Today is Thursday, April 26, 2018. Sorry guys, my phone has been ringing off the hook, okay? Anyway, so today do a quick article I'm sharing here from Authority Nutrition. The article is in my Healthy You page. You can go there and grab it yourself. So today we're going to talk about 10 ways. Hey Marlon, my brother is on. We're going to talk about 10 natural ways to increase your glutathione levels. And some of you probably watching the video saying, what the heck is glutathione, Gayon, and why do I need to know about that? Well, stick around, because this is very important for your health. Okay, so I know a lot of us don't know about what's the role that our glutathione level plays in our health, but this is really important, guys. So stick around. I'm going to quickly share these 10 ways to increase it, and also let you know what I recommend that I take. Okay, so number one. Okay, so glutathione is one of the body's most important and potent antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that reduces oxidative stress by combating free radicals in the body. While most antioxidants are found in the food you eat, glutathione is produced by your body. So our body produces it. It is primarily made up of 3 amino acids: glutamine, glycine, and cysteine. There are a number of reasons why your body's glutathione level may become depleted, including poor diet, chronic disease, infection, and constant stress. Glutathione is also known to decrease with age. So as we're aging, we're getting older. It could be our diet, the environment we live in, is toxic environment, the oxygen we breathe, all those things. It interferes as we're aging with our body's ability to make glutathione. And again, it's one of the most important antioxidants. And our bodies should make it on our own, but a lot of times, like I stated, it depletes as we age, and other factors as well. So our bodies are not producing it is the way it should, and that causes a lot of health issues. So maintaining adequate levels of this antioxidant is incredibly important. Below are 10 of the best ways to increase your glutathione levels naturally. So this is something you should really consider. Again, this is something our body naturally produces on its own, and as we're aging, our body doesn't produce it as much, and so that leads to issues, diseases, etc., where our bodies aren't able to produce antioxidants on its own. Okay, so hey Sandy, welcome. Woohoo! So we got my brothers on. So welcome Sandy, how you doing today? Welcome, girl. Okay, so number one. So here are 10 natural ways to increase your body's ability to make glutathione. Remember how important it is. It's the antioxidant. It's the ability for our body to create its own antioxidants, so we need that. Okay, it's very, very important to our health. So number one is consume sulfur-rich foods. Sulfur is an important mineral that occurs naturally in some plants and protein foods. It's required for the structure and activity of important proteins and enzymes in the body. Notably, sulfur is required for the synthesis of glutathione. Okay. So sulfur is found in 2 amino acids, methionine and cysteine. Is particularly derived from dietary proteins such as beef, fish, and poultry. So number one is we want to make sure that we consume a sulfur-rich diet. Okay, and so sulfur is important for producing glutathione. Again, glutathione is very important, as we're aging. Again, this is our body's ability to create its own antioxidants. Our body should create it, but a lot of times it doesn't as we're aging. Other factors get in the way, and our body isn't able to create its own antioxidants, and that leads to a lot of health problems. Okay, so make sure you're eating sulfur-rich proteins such as beef, fish, poultry, as well as aluminum and cruciferous vegetables. So having a rich sulfur diet is going to help your body. It's going to help your body to increase the glutathione level. Okay, so we have is that Ron? So welcome. We got Ron is on, Sandy, Marlon. So again, we're talking about glutathione, the ability Again, this ability for our body to create its own antioxidants is very, very crucial, important in our health. Doctors talk about it all the time. We need antioxidants. You know, that's why they talk about fruits and vegetables that are high antioxidants that we need to eat to help us, right? But then also, again, glutathione is our body's ability to create its own antioxidants. And a lot of times that our body ability to do that, it depletes as we're aging. Chronic diseases, other things that's happening, our bodies aren't creating antioxidants anymore, and that leads to a lot of huge health problems. Okay. So number 2, you want to increase your vitamin C intake. Okay. Vitamin C plays a vital role in maintaining glutathione levels. For this reason, taking vitamin C supplements may help increase your glutathione levels. Okay. So another way is vitamin C. Number 3 is add selenium-rich foods to your diet. Another way to increase your glutathione level. Okay, selenium is a cofactor for the production of glutathione. Fish, organ meats, and Brazil nuts are all selenium-rich foods that may increase your levels naturally. Okay. 4, eat foods that are naturally rich in glutathione. Okay, so the human body produces glutathione, but there are also dietary sources. Okay, spinach, avocados, asparagus, and okra, okay, are some of the richest dietary sources. So if you eat those foods on a regular basis, spinach, avocado, asparagus, okra, that's going to help your body to make those glutathione that we need, that guys, because again, it's the body's ability to create its own antioxidants. It's very important. Okay. So dietary glutathione is not fully absorbed by the body. However, including foods naturally high in glutathione like avocado, spinach, okra may help decrease oxidative stress. Okay. Again, and if you wonder what is oxidative stress, it's just the oxygen we breathe. Okay. When we breathe in the toxic air, it damages our cells. That's what they refer to oxidative stress. It creates free radicals that damage our cells. And glutathione is that our body's ability to fight, to reduce the cellular damages occurring, and our body has a natural way of doing that, which is the glutathione level, but a lot of times it isn't doing it anymore because of factors that get in our way. We're aging, the environment, or chronic diseases show up, so our body isn't creating antioxidants anymore, and that leads to a lot of health issues. Okay, number 5 is supplement whey protein. That's WHEY. Okay, whey protein is a good source of cysteine, which helps maintain adequate glutathione production. Therefore, whey protein may help increase your levels. So if you want to do whey protein, that's another way. Okay. Number 6 is consider milk thistle. Milk thistle supplements are another way to boost glutathione levels naturally. Okay. Okay. So the active ingredients in milk thistle extract is called salimirin. Milk thistle supplements may cause an increase in glutathione level, likely attributed to salimirin. So milk thistle is another one. Okay, so that's number 6. Number 7 is turmeric. Turmeric extract. Okay, turmeric is a vibrant yellow-orange herb and a popular spice in Indian cuisine. I'm sure you guys have heard of turmeric before. Okay, so curcumin, an important ingredient in turmeric, may increase glutathione levels. Although flavoring your food with turmeric can be tasty, you need the more concentrated forms of coumarin, okay, found in turmeric extract to increase your levels. So although you can use the turmeric every day, again, you need the turmeric extract. And again, I'm going to tell you guys in a minute what I recommend to help you guys increase your glutathione level, and you'll see a tremendous improvement in your health. Okay. Number 8 is getting enough sleep. Okay. So chronic lack of sleep can cause a decrease in glutathione level. Conversely, getting enough sleep on a regular basis can help increase or maintain your levels. Number 9 is regular exercise. Regular physical exercise, specifically cardio and weight training, may help increase glutathione levels. However, overtraining without a balanced diet and proper rest can deplete your levels. Okay, so exercising, eating right, weight training, but we have to live a balanced life, guys. We can't overdo it, right? When we're too excessive in one area, we gotta try to maintain and live a more balanced life. So exercise regularly, watch what you eat. These are things, all part of a natural lifestyle, right? Natural healthy lifestyle. But again, is the glutathione level. A lot of us don't even know what that is, and we have no idea how important it is for our bodies to create its own antioxidants. And when we don't, when our bodies stop doing that, it causes a lot of health problems. So this is why increasing the learning how to do that, to increase the glutathione level, will help you so much. It's gonna improve your health tremendously. Okay, number 10, last one is avoid drinking too much alcohol. Alcoholism decreases glutathione levels throughout the body, especially in the lungs. People who regularly consume excessive amount of alcohol can have an 80 to 90% decrease in lung glutathione. That's a huge issue, okay? So what's the bottom line? Glutathione is an important antioxidant that is primarily made by the body, but is also found in dietary sources. Unfortunately, your levels of these antioxidants can be depleted due to many factors such as aging, a poor diet, and a sedentary lifestyle. You're not exercising enough, you're not doing enough. Those are things that your body will stop, creating antioxidants, and that's a huge issue for your health. Luckily, you can maintain appropriate glutathione levels by increasing your physical activity, avoid drinking too much alcohol, getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet. Taking milk thistle, turmeric, or whey protein supplements may also boost your levels. At the end of the day, there are many simple and natural ways you can increase your levels of this important and potent antioxidants. Now, to that being said, guys, let me just quickly tell you what I take. And this was amazing when I read this article, because I'm like, wow, what I take one a day is exactly what this does. It increases your glutathione level to 300%, not 100%, not 200, the number 300. And I have research to back that up. Anyway, so I take a 1 a day supplement, and it has milk thistle in there. The extracts, it has five herbal extracts. Milk thistle is one of them. Turmeric is one of them, and I talked about that in here. It talked about milk thistle and turmeric, and it's got 3 other green tea and 2 other herbal extracts, and it's 1 a day. Okay, and this is what's amazing about the supplement. It increases your glutathione level. Exceeds what we should, how much we need in a day. And when you start taking that, and you 1 a day, and you can increase your glutathione level, you will start to see amazing things in your health. And I've been on this thing for 4 years. I take it only 1 time a day. That's it. My brother and I were just talking about this earlier. So this is what the amazing thing. So yes, you have to eat right. You have to exercise. We gave you some examples of natural things you can eat: fish, poultry, sulfur, vitamin C. Those are things you need that can help you to help your body start to produce more glutathione, which is the antioxidants. Your body need to create its own antioxidants, and that's what glutathione does. And a lot of times the body isn't doing that anymore, and that causes a lot of issues with our health. So if you can find a way to get that body to start increasing those glutathione levels that it produces every day, you're going to start to see a definitely improvement in your health. Like I said, I've been on this for 4 years. Every day, 1 a day, that's it. So I don't have to worry about going out buying all these supplements, no, I just 1 time a day, just 1 a day supplement, and I am good when it comes to my glutathione. That's my blood work is excellent every year. The doctor's like, what are you doing? For my age and not having a lot of these issues, like, what are you doing? My blood work is always awesome. My cholesterol is going down. And I have to say, I give it to this that I take 1 a day. So it's 1 time a day, guys. 1 time a day that I take. And it is amazing what it's going to do for your body. And again, what it's doing is it's helping our body produce its own antioxidants that it needs. Every day we have to have antioxidants to fight the cellular damage that's taking place every day that we have no control of. We need something to help us fight it. And to just take 1 a day that does it for you, where you have to worry about, well, how much of this do I need to take? How much milk thistle do I need to take? How much, how much turmeric do I need to take? No, this does it all in one. You don't have to figure out this complicated formula of how much, you're not taking 25, how many vitamins a day, supplements a day you're taking. I just take 1 a day. I don't take anything else anymore. I don't take vitamins anymore. I don't need any of that anymore. 1 a day.